Good morning. Welcome to Erawan Waterfall. The name of Erawan, that's calling from the vehicle animal of the Brahma god. That's a three-head of elephants.
Our three-headed elephant god. There are 7 levels to Erawan Falls, and I'm not quite sure exactly how high we're going to go. The lower ones are the good swimming ones. 5th level, 6th level, and the 7th level is one that resembles the three-headed elephant. What kind of birds?
Google, boo-boo, and...
What is a boo-boo bird? I've never heard of a boo-boo bird. There's a boo-boo bird nest right above us, but I don't see any boo-boo birds. I hear them. This is called a monkey line. You're supposed to climb up it. The first level of the falls, lots of people bring bathing suits and go in swimming. The rangers try to keep them away most of the time. Especially the monkeys come to the smaller children to steal the food. There's even a little interpretive trail that you can take through the evergreen forest. Look at different cliffs. Some wildlife. I don't think there's very much wildlife. I'm certainly not going to look for snakes. Onwards to the 3rd step. The 3rd level is a perfect picture postcard. Man, did we come at the right time, early. They just keep coming, coming. We're like salmons. Well, that was fun, even though we didn't walk up to the 7th. Floaties to use inside the waterfall pools.